Hey, where is Ram? Oh, again on the phone. I don't know how to stop this constant phone usage. How many times have you encountered this question about your son? Is your child spending more than 3 hours a day on smartphones or other gadgets? Researched on how to put a full stop to this? Don't be late in making a wise decision, because the amount of damage this can cause will shock you. Who knows if he's drowning in the sea of digital toxicity? Screen exposure is a real problem for the parents of Gen Z kids. Approximately 1 in 3 children spend a whopping 7.5 hours per day on an average, be it for an academic interaction or else a challenging violent game. The screen effects are literally hazardous. Research proves that the side effects of this prolonged screen time can end up in obesity, irregular sleep, impaired vision, poor academics, aggression in every response. Due to the release of dopamine in a child, he finds this screen addiction to be rewarding. But understand that more than 3 hours of screen exposure is equivalent to drug addiction. As they feel missing out on their fun, they cling onto the gadgets, but the impact of screens from a younger age really stabs deep. Act now to give your child a normal life.